Kodandaramu scored 608 out of 625 and got 97.28. Another seven students have scored distinction. Sanjana is 596, 95.36%. Pankaj 583, 93.28%. Somnath HC 545, 87.5%. Subhash U 563, 90%. 9.8%, Bhuvaneshwari 571, 91.36%, Niham AR 532, 85.12%. School reopened from May 9, 2022 after COVID pandemic. After the reopen of our school in May month, our management conduct Kalika Chetarike program to enhance the pre-knowledge of students by conducting so many activities. This year from the first to 9th students, we have started Setu Bandha scheme to know the students' pre-knowledge and it was done up to 15 days. Our institution gives importance to each and every student regarding their programs at all the stage of their learning. We celebrate Environment Day on June 5th in our school and inform the importance of our environment to our students. On the day, we have planted so many plants in our school along with the students. On 21st June, we celebrate International Yoga Day and conduct yoga practice for our students. Our students participate in hobby level sport on 29/7/2022 and they perform very well. In the month of July, our students participate in Pratibha Karanji and perform very well. We have celebrated Independence Day on 15/8/2022 in our school. Our students perform so many dances, also wear some fancy dress of the historical persons of our country. Also, our students done some special activities during drill and march past in the celebration of Independence Day. Our students speak about great leaders like Gandhiji and other constitutions. In the month of September, we have celebrated some colors day of nursery students with different colors dresses. On October 2nd, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Our institution and also our students participate in drawing competition in the Sinchana first prize, Nagarshri first prize. On 9/10/2022, we celebrate Valmiki Jayanti in our institution. Dasara holidays given after the 3/10/2022 and 10/10/2022. And also we have given academic work of our fathers to keep in the touch with education during the holidays. On November 1st, we celebrate Kannada Rajyotsava in our school along with the presence of students. On this day, our students participate in Kannada rally along with the dress code of the great partition person of Kannada. On 11/11/2022, we celebrate Kanakadasa Jayanti in our school and our teacher guidance as the importance of morality and social service by saying the life story of Kanakadasa. On November 14th, we celebrate the Children's Day with great joy and happiness. On November 26th, we celebrate Constitution Day. We gave information about importance of Constitution. These are all the important event of our school. Along with this, I would like to share few words about the special teaching methods of our school. During morning assembly session, our school management decided to use physical methods of learning by using symbolic and action for every letters of Kannada and English alphabets. Kannada Akshara Male dance, English phonetics dance, English alphabet dance, Kannada Bhagavata dance, Hindi Bharat Gadi, etc. Letter of the human heart and its functions and part of human brain and its functions. Union territories of India, neighboring countries of India, 31 districts of Karnataka. During afternoon session, mathematical formulas were our institution is teaching morality, honesty and the immutable nature to all our students. Our management is celebrating Christmas on December 25 every year. This year also our management is planned to celebrate Christmas in our school campus in grand manner. In our school campus, our management has planned to conduct science exhibition and food mela in the month of December 2022. Most importantly, every day in our school news reading is English. In English, videos were recorded and other academic related videos were uploaded in our school YouTube channel. Also, all of us to know that about our institution programs and to share the review. Most importantly, our management plan project to 625 scheme for SSLC students to achieve the best in their examination, and all the teachers were very supportive to achieve this. About all these things, I would like to thank Dr. Nancy H. Payal sir for providing such best educational opportunity to all our children from the establishment of institution with their kind heart service. Dr. Nancy H. Payal sir is the biggest contributor to the success of this institution. They were providing such a great guidance for the students as well as the other teachers to give educational facilities. So our management requests all the parents to give special attention towards your children to achieve their great success in their education, because it will become easy for the teachers as well as the children to learn from parents' guidance. Finally, I would like to thank our management for providing such a great opportunity to tell the annual report of 2022. Thank you, one and all.